Chris here and welcome to the channel. It's 2018 and a lot have happened since the last video. Among other things, I reached 1,000 subscribers and beyond, going for 2,000, which is super huge for me. And I would like to celebrate that with the AMG merchandise giveaway. And all you have to do to enter the contest is to subscribe, but I will do a separate video about this a little bit later on. And as you might have seen, the bracket for the Android screen for C-Class facelift have finally released and is shipping. But please have in mind that the Chinese celebrate their New Year's now, so they will be like closed until 20th of February, and after that they will ship as usual. And we have a fellow YouTuber who will do a full install and review of this unit for his old C-Class. So I will put a link in the description so you can check it out. I think it will be very good. So 2018, what's planned? Tons of videos. I will continue the ML to GLE project. I will continue the E63 AMG project. And of course do a lot of retrofits and installs for you to see. So hit that subscribe to not miss anything. So that's it for this short news video, and there will be many to come, so hit that subscribe and that little bell so you don't miss anything. Till next time, see you!